Hi, second graders. Today we're going to talk about portraiture, which means drawing a person. And we're also going to talk about how to mix primary colors into secondary colors with this project. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your paper is up and down the tall way. Then we are going to put our hand in the middle of our paper. That's a little high, so I'm going to try it again. I'm going to put my hand a little bit lower in the middle of my paper, and I'm going to try to make the letter U to be about the size of my hand. If I don't like the first U that I draw, I can flip my paper over and try again on the back. We want to make sure that our U is kind of in the bottom half of our paper in the center, because we want a lot of room for our hair, our crazy colored hair, to go on top of it. Once we're done drawing our U and we have it how we like, we're going to make 2 lines going down for the neck of our person, and then we're going to make kind of like an arched shape that goes all the way off our paper for the shoulders of our person. Remember that you can pause this video to catch up if you need to. The next thing we're going to do is add 2 straight lines at the top of our U. This part is going to help us make sunglasses on our person. Next, we're going to add a U underneath each of those lines to make the rest of our sunglasses. You can also choose to make them into glasses by putting eyes in the middle, or you can skip the sunglasses and just draw eyes on your person as well. After we're done drawing the sunglasses, we are going to add a nose to our person. When I draw the nose, I draw an upside down question mark without the dot. Then I add a smile, and if you want to, you can add lips to it later, or you could make it how you want it to look. When I add my lips, I make 2 bumps for the top lip, and then I make 1 curved line for the bottom lip. When I add the ears, I only make an oval on the side of my face. It should start at the top of your eyes. Next, we need to draw the top of our head. So it's going to look like our person is bald for just a minute, but we're going to draw an arch shape on the top of the head. Then we're going to add the front of our hair. So you could make it look like a tent or a triangle above the sunglasses, or you could make a zigzag line there too. The last thing we have to do is add 7 wavy lines to our paper. So I start with 1 on the top of the head, and I make 3 on each side of that. Next, I'm going to use my Sharpie to outline my pencil lines. Since we are going to be painting on part of this paper, we want to make sure that we're using a permanent marker to outline our lines so that they don't disappear when we put water on our paper. After we've traced all of our pencil lines, we're going to use our Sharpie to create 6 different designs in our hair. So you can use different lines that you know or different shapes that you know to repeat and make patterns in each section of your hair. The last thing you are going to use your Sharpie for is designing your shirt. You may choose any design for your shirt as long as it's appropriate for school. Now that we have everything Sharpied, we are going to use markers to color in our shirt and our face. I have skin colored markers that we can use for our face. And we're going to color in everything besides our hair, because our hair we are going to paint. We're going to mix our colors together and paint it. So I'm showing you a few different examples here that you can look at as well.